Hey, what's going on, real estate friends? Reed Schweizer with Gulf Gateway Realty, coming to you from beautiful Rotonda West, Florida. This is a location where we don't build a ton of houses, or not yet. We are going to in the future. But I just want to kind of show you around the neighborhood. We're just north of the Rotunda Circle, kind of Englewood. We're like 10 or 15 minutes from Englewood Beach. Got a couple really nice houses going up right now and more in the future. These are both 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Just super nice. You can notice I got paver driveway, paver sidewalks, all nice houses around me. You can obviously hear that machine in the distance beeping. Lots of other new construction going in the area. And this is, excuse me, a perfect house if you're a retail person and you want to live in it. Also great for an investor because the rental rates in this area are fantastic. You're close to all the Rotunda golf courses. I think there's 6 of them. Walking trails, parks. Like I said, the beach is really close by. You're still in a flood zone X here in most cases. But this whole neighborhood's great. Let me walk you through and let's take a look at this house and let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this with your friends. So as you walk in here, we're going to try to make this video kind of quick. It is kind of dusty. This house is not 100% complete. It's like 95% complete. But there's a bank of 3 guest rooms and a guest bath over here. They're all pretty good sized guest rooms. They're like 10 by 12. This one's a little on the smaller side. Maybe you make that one an office and the other 2 are more true bedrooms. As we spin around, that's the laundry area. Good sized laundry room. And then it goes out to the garage. To keep the time short, I'm not going to show you the garage. This nice luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Granite tops. Nice big cabinets, big pantry, stainless appliances. This is all 9'4" ceilings throughout, guys. So this is not like a little entry-level house from some national little tract builder. You can see the neighbors all keep their houses nice here. This guy's got solar panels, nice little picket fence, nice little lanai here, which you could screen in if you wanted to. This neighbor's got a really nice pool. So just a nice little area. Here's the big living area. So you've got dining room over here. Little area for like a desk or a nook or maybe a bistro table right here. And then this huge expansive living area. Let's go into the master bedroom here. Good sized master bedroom. But where this really is great is it's got 2 big walk-in closets. Nice double vanity. Nice big all tiled out shower. Needs a little touch up, but good to go. And then obviously the commode area. So if you're looking for something to live in, if you're looking for something as a great single family rental investment property, this thing's got a positive cash flow. Guys, we've got great financing lined up right now. I've got some good fixed rate products. I've got some interest only products. I've got all sorts of different things that you might like. So you know where to find me, floridarealtorx@gmail.com, or my cell phone number is 239-229-5948. Reach out to me anytime. We've got this. I actually have an identical plan like a block from here. So I've got 2 of these right in the same area. This is 198 Arch Drive in Englewood. So check it out. Thanks, guys.